In this video, we will study about the mode of grouped data. Mode we have studied in class 9th also, but that was for ungrouped data. In this class, we will study the mode for grouped data, and the formula which we are going to use for this is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. This is the formula which we will use in this. Now, here L is lower limit of model class. Okay. F0, F1 and F2 are the frequencies. But here the order of the frequency is F0 is the frequency preceding model class. F1 is frequency of model class and F2 is the frequency succeeding model class, and H is the width or height of model class. Now, what is here the model class? When we see the data given in any question, we see the frequency and we observe the highest frequency of those data. So the frequency which is highest, the class interval in front of that is called the model class. This I will explain you with an example. So model class is the class interval of highest frequency. Okay. Model class is the class interval of highest frequency, and from that model class only we collect the value of L, lower limit. Okay. Now let us try to understand this with the help of an example. Here I have taken question number 1 of exercise 14.2. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode of the data. Actually, in this question you have to find mean and mode both, but since mean we have already studied, so we can find out the mean by any method out of 3 methods, but I will show you here how to find out the mode of this data. So with this question, first we will prepare a table. Actually, in finding out the mode, table is not required, but to arrange the values properly, better we should have a table in which we can mark the values easily and clearly. Because any value, if we put wrong in the question, the entire question goes wrong. So to avoid those circumstances, let us prepare a table. So first we have age, which is in years. It is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. These are the ages. And we are given number of patients, which are 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So now if we observe all the frequencies, we see that 23 is the maximum frequency. That means this class interval is the model class. So model class is equal to 35 to 45 because it is just in front of the highest frequency. So from here model class we get the value of L, which is equal to 35, lower limit, and H, which is the height and width of the model class, that also we get from model class only, which is equal to 10. Basically, if all the class intervals are of equal width, it will remain same, but if it is not, then we have to see the height of the model class. Now, the order of frequencies. Here, as I told you, F0 is the frequency preceding to model class. So if this is the model class, frequency preceding will be up, it is F0. F1 is the frequency of model class, F1. F2 is the frequency of succeeding model class. So frequency of succeeding model class is here. So to memorize this, the easy way is with the model class, we get F1 and F0 is up, F2 is down. So order is 0, 1, 2. Okay. F0 is equal to 21. F1 is equal to 23. F2 is equal to 14. Okay. Now, let us use the formula. Since mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H, that is equal to, now here L is 35 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 upon 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 35 plus 2 upon 46 minus 35 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 35 plus 2 upon 11 into 10, that is equal to 35 plus 20 upon 11, which is equal to 35 plus. Now if we divide 20 by 11, so 11 ones are 11, we have 9 left, 11 8s are 88, we have 2 left, 11 ones are 11, and again 9 is left, so it is 1.818. So we can round it up to get the value of 35 plus 1.818. 35 plus 1.81 we can take it 82 also, that is 36.84 36.82 approx is the mode of the data. Now we can also confirm the answer. As you can see here in this question, the modal class was 35 to 45. That means the mode should belong to the modal class. So our mode should be between 35 to 45. So as we have got the value of mode is 36.82, therefore the mode belongs to the modal class.